In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Meta Business Suite. If you've decided to close a business presence on Meta, the place to do it is inside Meta Business Suite, and the process is straightforward. A quick heads up before we begin. Deleting a business in Meta is permanent and can affect connected assets like Facebook pages, Instagram accounts, ad accounts, pixels, catalogs, and payment methods. This action does not delete your personal Facebook profile. It only impacts the selected business account and its linked assets. Make sure you're signed into the correct profile and that you have admin permissions for the business you want to remove. First, go to Meta Business Suite in your web browser. The easiest way is to open business.facebook.com, and if you manage more than one business, choose the specific business you intend to delete from the selector. Double-check the business name shown at the top of the interface so you don't remove the wrong one. Give the dashboard a moment to load so all options are available. Next, open Settings. Look for the gear icon in the left sidebar. Clicking it takes you to the main settings area for the business. This is where Meta centralizes controls for users, permissions, assets, and account details, and it's where you'll find the option to remove the business. From there, select Business Info. This section displays the official details of the business inside Meta, including the business name, verification status, tax and legal information, and ownership. It's also where Meta places advanced options related to the account's lifecycle. Now click Permanently Delete Business. When you choose this option, Meta will show a clear warning explaining what will be removed and what cannot be undone. Read that message carefully. Depending on your setup, you might be asked to confirm the choice, re-enter your password, or complete two-factor authentication. If the delete button is unavailable, it usually means there are active dependencies, such as running ads, outstanding balances, or assets that must first be moved or closed. Resolve those items, then return to this screen and try again. After you confirm, Meta begins the deletion process for that business within Business Suite. Keep any confirmation notice for your records. If you still need any historical data, export what you need before you press delete, because access may not be available afterward. If your goal is simply to stop using Business Suite without removing the business, consider pausing activity or transferring assets instead. Deletion is the definitive cleanup. That's it. By navigating to Meta Business Suite, opening Settings, going to Business Info, and selecting Permanently Delete Business, you can remove a business from your Meta account with confidence.